Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Bastar University student account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Bastar University student account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for student login Bastar University. And after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and over this page you just have to tap on this first option which says login here student. After tapping on that, you will come up to Bastar University's login page, and over here you have to enter your user ID and password. So just simply enter your user ID and password. So after entering your user ID and password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password or if you have forgotten your user ID, what you can do is you can easily reset or recover your user ID or password by tapping on forgot password, resend user ID and password. So just tap on that option, and after tapping on this option, what you can do is just create a new one. After creating a new user ID or password, what you can do is come back to this page and then enter the new user ID or password that you have created, and then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you will successfully log into your Bastar University. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Bastar University student account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.